Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to 6th day of Vlogmas. And in this video, I'm going to share with you all few things that I'm going to do before this year ends. So before 2022. And I thought it would be a great idea to share it with you guys so that you guys can do it too. And you guys can share with me things that you are doing in the comment section below so that I can do that. So yeah, let's get started. Number one is to declutter your room or your space. So decluttering, I think, is a wonderful idea to start a new year. Like before you start a new year, decluttering से होता ये है कि you go in a very calming state of mind और बहुत सारी चीज़ें निकल जाती है and you get lot of space. There is free space. And you actually are surrounded by things that you really need. So decluttering is a wonderful idea. You can start with decluttering your room or your space and then slowly declutter your whole house. Did I say whole house? Your whole house. So yeah. Number two is to declutter your digital stuff. I personally right now really badly need to declutter my digital stuff क्योंकि इतनी चीज़ें हैं. There is duplicate of so many images. यानी एक ही image मेरे पास हर एक अलग folder में एक अलग नाम से है and I really need to get that sorted. और पता नहीं कुछ अलग photos कहीं अलग ही folder में चली गई है. So and there is lot of bunch of random stuff that I really don't need and I don't know why I have it. So decluttering digital space would be a great idea. So yeah. Number three is to set goal for 2022. So I think goal setting is really important and it's one of the most efficient and productive way to live a life. I personally love to set goals. I'll be making a separate video on goal setting and efficient way to set your goals in the Vlogmas series itself. So stay tuned for that and we'll talk about this whole idea in detail. So yes, goal setting. Set your goals for 2022. Number four is to make vision board. This is my 2021 vision board. I don't know if I think you can see it. It's right here. So I'm going to obviously make a new vision board for 2022. Vision board, I think, is an excellent idea to remind yourself of your goals because it's right there. You see it every single day and you can't just run away from your goals. So I think vision board is an excellent way to remind yourself of your goal and the life that you want to live. I'll be making a separate video on vision board as well, so stay tuned for that. Number fifth is to write yourself a letter. So this is what me and one of my friends Anurag, we do this every single year, that we write ourselves a letter. So हम खुद को ही एक letter लिखते हैं before we start a new year and we read that in the end, like on the last day of the year, and it's an amazing way to see yourself a year ago. Like you are totally different person. Like it's very interesting to see your journey and what kind of journey you have had through the year. So try writing yourself a letter. Try it this year. So before you start 2022, write yourself a letter, and then on the last day of 2022 read that letter and you will be amazed and you will be surprised. Number six thing is to forgive. I think it's always a good idea to start new year with like on a very good note. So I think it's a good idea that you forgive people even though they are not asking for your forgiveness and even though they are not sorry. But I think you do it for yourself. I mean, just move on. Like I think nobody is that worthy that you spend so much of your energy and so much of your time thinking about what happened and what has happened and क्या हुआ उस इंसान के बारे में, whatever, for different situations. So I think it's a good idea that you forgive and forgive yourself too. Don't be hard on yourself. I need to tell that myself. So forgive yourself, move on and have a great year. And then you can ask yourself few questions like describe 2021. For me, I think 2021 was really amazingly interesting because in the beginning of this year I decided few things. I decided that I'm not gonna take shit from anybody. Like if I don't agree with something or I don't like the way somebody's talking to me, I'll right there and then say, "Kid, do not talk to me like that," or basically not taking shit from anybody. And I also decided that I'm going to do things that make me uncomfortable, so I'm going to break my comfort zone. That's why I started YouTube channel, and it has been an amazing journey. I really like 2021, so it has been really full of experiences, full of learning. So 2020 was amazing. Then you can ask yourself the one achievement that you're proud of. For me, it will be YouTube, because I always wanted to do this and I finally have a YouTube channel, so it feels great. So I think I'm really proud of myself that I have a YouTube channel. You can also ask about your difficult times, difficult days, and what you learned through it. What did you learn this year, and what would you like to tell yourself for the next year? Like for me personally, I think I really underestimate myself. I can do much more things in life, and I don't know, I procrastinate real bad, and I don't believe in myself, I don't trust myself. And I have learned this particular thing, especially this year, and I've realized it, and I'm going to try to come out of it and, you know, believe in myself a little more. So 2022 is gonna be amazing. So that's it, guys. These are a few things that I am going to do, and I think you guys should too. If there is anything else that you are going to do before 2022, please let me know in the comment section below. I would really like to know, and I would really like to do it as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next video, that is tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye.